Hey there! Today I want to share with you a video effect for OBS that will help your live streaming experience, especially in low light situations. It's called the Enhanced Portrait Filter, and it uses real-time neural networks to increase the light in your scene. The effect is part of the background removal plugin available for download from the link in the description. Let's see a quick demo. I will apply the filter now to a low light camera source to show you the effect. As you can see, there's a big difference. This plugin is perfect for live streaming in unexpected environments, dealing with poor lighting situations, streaming in almost complete darkness, or when you use a low quality camera. Setting up the Enhanced Portrait effect is a breeze. Simply add the Enhanced Portrait filter from the Effects filter list. It's important to note that the filter will not show up in the audio video filter section. Once you've added the filter, you'll have access to a few settings. First, you can choose from different neural networks to run, but for the best balance between performance and results, I recommend using the Semantic Guided Enhancement Network. You also have control over the amount of effect to apply with this handy slider. You can fine-tune the light enhancement to suit your preferences and the specific lighting conditions of your environment. To optimize performance, you can also adjust the thread count. In most cases, setting it to 1 or 2 threads works best. Now let's see how the low light enhance effect holds up against a basic color correction filter. On the left we have the low light enhance effect, and on the right the color correction effect. As you can see, the low light enhance filter retains more details and avoids the whiteout effect that you can see with other methods. And there you have it, a low light enhancement filter for OBS. To get your hands on this tool, make sure to check out the links provided in the video notes below. Enhance your live streams to handle those unexpected low light challenges. Happy streaming. Take care.